Hey guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today a very short nail video. This is all about Christmas nails. So let's start with the ones I am wearing right now. So this is a set of Christmas nails. I did add a lot of gold glitter, so it may not be too clear with the lighting, but there are some deer here in the woods and here as well. Let me see. So they are standing around a bit here. Here is a little Christmas village, and then here is a little house in the woods. So here is the roof with snow on top, and then here are some trees. So there's a little sort of a farmhouse in the middle of the woods. And then on the thumb there is, I'm not even sure what that is, if that is a Christmas village or maybe even some hot chocolate. It does say let it snow here, so here as well. So the rest is symmetrical, so both hands are the same. So I thought that was very cute. So I am actually wearing these Christmas nails. Now I did do a lot of other sets for the winter, the December month, just to have some fun with it. And I am going to show you first the base nails and the decals that I used, and then I will show you the end result. So let's go. First we start with a simple and elegant winter floral. I will be combining that with a light blue nail. Second, moving on to sort of a reindeer theme. Well, it's a deer actually, but it reminded me of a reindeer and winter. So I will be combining that with a very pale green nail. And then moving on with going all out on the deer theme. So adding a lot of colors and a lot of different deer here. I really like that. And I already mentioned that it reminds me of the reindeer theme that goes along with Christmas. And I will be combining that with the same blue nail set of the first. The fourth set of nails, well, where would we be without a Christmas tree for Christmas? So there's a Christmas tree for each and every one of your fingers. And I'll be combining that with a pine tree green nail. And yeah, let's move on to the last one that I'm going to do. This is sort of an abstract, but the colors, especially the yellow and the red, it reminded me of Christmas. So I was thinking, so what if I were to change out the light blue with like a pine tree green, or maybe red, or something else that I feel is a lot more like Christmas than this light blue. So I'm going to be creative there and turn this into a very Christmassy nail. So let's show you the end result of everything that I have said I would do. Alright, and there we are. So here are the first wintry florals, and I used some hollow top coat also to give it a bit of a more of a Christmassy feel. Here are the nice little deer. I didn't use any hollow top coat except for the ring fingers here, because they were particularly pale and a little bit vague on the deer here. Now here are the lovely other deer, more of the blue, and this is the same blue nail, base nail, as the first with the florals. But wait, what am I wearing now? These are pastel blue, baby blue nails with some colored feather decals, and then covered them with a very light hollow top coat on both hands, of course. Now you don't have to coordinate your nails with your clothes. Why not combine them with your art projects? Like this little cuteness here. It opens up like a suitcase, and then you can browse through it. So it is a portrait mode, not landscape mode. And it has 10 pages, guys, 10. sports a magnetized closure, and it has a nicely cut closure. So why not coordinate your nails with your art projects? So have fun with your nails and with your paper craft. On to the Christmas tree nails. Look how lovely they are. So I haven't put anything onto them except a glossy top coat, so no hollow. Well, except again for the ring fingers, again the most, well, boring ones I thought, so added some hollow there. And last but not least, look at what I created here. It's, I don't know what I think about it. It's better than the original with just the colors and the light blue, I think. So what I did is add a lot of stickles here. So gold, red, green and a lighter green, and covered not only the light blue but also the purples. And yeah, well, you would have to wear something extraordinarily Christmassy for these to match that, but you could also just take one or two and make them your signature nails, and well, do the rest in solid red or solid green. So yeah, these were my 5 pairs of Christmas nails, plus the ones I'm wearing now. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.